Do you love eating spaghetti? This is a delicious spaghetti sauce as we make it here in Belgium. So guys, I will take you through how I make this delicious spaghetti stew called spaghetti sauce in the Netherlands. So you can pause and check out the ingredients ranging from carrots, ginger, nutmeg powder, tomatoes, tinned tomato, fresh tomato. Meat that I used is the combination of chicken and beef. As you can see, it is these two that I mixed to make this sauce. And other veggies, the green beans, the paprika, that is the green pepper, the red pepper, the yellow pepper, as you can see it here. That is what I used. So fresh tomatoes. You can pause this video to check out. Also, bell leaf is in this sauce that I made. So now I'm about to start grinding everything together. Just mix everything with your blender, grind them. That is the veggies, the tomatoes, the paprika, the garlic, the ginger, onions, all of them, grind it together. And now get to the kitchen where you will now cook everything together. So guys, if you're interested to learn this, just keep on watching. You can learn one or two things, how to make a different sauce for your spaghetti, not only the Nigerian sauce. So learn Belgian sauce called spaghetti sauce. So guys, let's get there. So watch to the end and you will learn a lot from this.